Remember, remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. Pupils at a school in Clifton have been getting crafty in the run-up to their bonfire night. It's one of their yearly events that brings everyone together over food, fireworks and fun.
So as a school, one of our key values is valuing family and community, and we see it as part of it's a responsibility of the school as a whole to ensure that we care for our community and do things that actually make a difference to people's lives, not just adults and not just children, but families as a whole and our wider community. So an event like tonight means that people can enjoy time together, they can enjoy a bonfire display, a firework display at a reasonable price, and just it's always great, I think, that if you can do anything, create an event that means people can come together and enjoy time together, and that's what tonight will be.
Yeah, the community event tonight is a perfect example where everybody in Clifton will come, they will watch the fire, and they will watch the fireworks, and it's a great way to gather the community together, get to see your friends, get to see your neighbours, and everybody has fun, a bit of food, a bit of fireworks. It's just a great evening event. In advance, prior to the half-term holiday, we built guys. Each class had built a guy based on a character from a book, and my class was Len Spud, the bog roll billionaire. And he made his millions from selling toilet rolls. So that was our character, and we did a great job. Just a bit disappointed we didn't win, but it's not the win, it's the taking part that counts.
And what do the children like best about bonfire night?
I like it because there's lots of fireworks and there's lots of cool, colourful explosions around the sky. And I like it because everyone's waving glow sticks around the place and it looks so cool with all the lights. I like watching the fireworks and I like toffee apples. I like all the amazing fireworks and watching them and watching other people's fireworks because they're really, really good, and how it's really loud and it really reminds us about 5th of November, what actually happened. I like all the fireworks and I like hot dogs and the disco. I like it where there's the colours and I like the explosions and how loud they are and stuff.
So the kids, teachers and wider community will be wrapping up warm this evening and following the time-old tradition of Guy Fawkes Day. Anna Riley, That's TV.